let's say we have a database with unique IDs. So let's say it could be products, clients, whatever it is. And we want to identify in another board that we're using. Let's say this is the board with new IDs being added, new clients. We want to identify, do we have any of these values already in our database? So we can do this with the VLOOKUP as follows. The first thing we need to do is have an item default value here to show that all of these statuses are duplicates by default. So if I add a new ID here, we'll show it as duplicate. You can hide this column. It's just for the VLOOKUP. So now in incoming IDs, we're going to indicate where it's a duplicate using the VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP we need to add to our destination board. That is the board which is going to be changing, our target board. So I've added that VLOOKUP. And I'm saying where the ID of the target column is the same as the source column, return the source column value in the target column value. So return the status in our database, which was always duplicate, to the status in column value. And what that means is if we add a new item with a unique ID, it's not going to show as a duplicate. Now, let's take an item from over here, 514. It will now show as a duplicate.